There are one or two schools that are still struggling to get things ready for Monday as it relates to the infrastructural works, but they have assured us that everything will be ready by Monday and all schools should be opening as scheduled.
That was President of the National Principals Association, Valerie St. Helen Henry, ahead of the impending Monday 7th opening of school amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The health threat has forced schools into overdrive to ensure that the necessary sanitation measures are in place ahead of the opening.
The Ministry of Education has provided the schools with some resources, and I am aware that principals will not hesitate to source other funds to provide whatever that is needed and whatever that the ministry is not able to. So I'm aware that face tubs and the sinks and the hand sanitizers and all of these things are in place at most schools because it is necessary that they are present as the students come in so that we follow the guidelines set out by the Chief Medical Officer.
The impact of COVID-19 on livelihoods has not escaped St. Helen Henry, who says the various learning institutions stand ready to help.
The financial situation with some parents, I am aware that the schools are going to work with the parents. Whatever that is needed, they will, within the school community, work towards providing the support or reaching out to certain stakeholders out there, the corporate citizens, individual citizens who are themselves working on their own to provide books and uniforms. Presently at this school, we have parents, past parents, who have brought in uniforms, books, and hoping that we can distribute as the week goes along so that we can identify those that are in need. The feeding program is starting on Monday at most schools. Some schools are going to buy and purchase food items so that nobody's left behind.
Many schools have implemented rotation systems to prevent overcrowding of the plant. St. Helen Henry is calling on parents to work hand in hand with schools to ensure a seamless transition back to school for students.
And I think the parents understand it is a difficult time. They have to cooperate with the schools and they understand that we have to do the social distancing and the children must be placed in groups. And it's a matter of the school working together with the parents. There are some parents who have already come to say, well, at my another school, a younger child is in another group which falls on a different day. And it's up to the school to say, okay, let's change it to suit so the brothers and sisters can all be on the same day at school and on the same day at home, so that the support is there provided.
The principal also made a case for face masks to be worn in conjunction with face shields, so students are able to take a breather. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.